Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through the process to download up the Counter-Strike on your particular device, especially on your laptop or your PC. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started with the video. So for that, we need to use the Steam official website. So for that, you can head over to a browser and you can download the Steam application. You can directly head over to Steam and go to the Steam, this one right here, and download it. If not download, you can look out for this install Steam option and install the exe file of Steam and go on with the process of installation. Once it is done, you just need to open up the following application, which should be available like this with this particular interface on your screen when you first open it up. Now you just need to go over and search it. So at the top, you can look out for the search bar there. Just type in Counter-Strike and hit enter. And there you'll be finding Counter-Strike. So if you want to download Counter-Strike 2, you can click on it. It is free, so you do not need to pay, but you just need to go over and look out for this option right here. You can look out for the description of the game, the visuals of the game given as well. You can check it out. And if you're okay with it, you just need to go over and, add it. So you can add it to your library in order to download it. And once it is done, you can head over to your library. And within library, you'll be finding the game. So let me just show you. There we go. So we have Counter-Strike 2. Now, if you want to download it, you just need to click on this install option. And you can select up where you would like to store it. For example, on my local disk, and click on install. After that is done, it should start downloading. It is a large file. So it may take about an hour for this to be downloaded. You just need to wait for this to be downloaded. And once it is downloaded, you can just go over and log in with your gun if you have not logged in, and you can start playing that game on your particular device. And that's it. So usually this is how you download Counter-Strike 2 on your PC or laptop. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.